This is your HC301 microprocessor control panel for your DT humidifiers. Today we're going to familiarize you with its basic functions. Opening the panel, you'll see your main power supply. This is where you would wire your neutral, hot, and ground. These three terminal strips represent the three DT humidifiers, and they'd be wired according to the color diagram included with your prints. The terminal strip X is for your BMS signal and sensors. 20 and 21 are your BMS signal, 20 being your signal hot, 21 being your neutral. 22 and 23 is your airflow switch that is included that you would wire in here. 24 and 25 is your remote shutdown to shut off the system. We will now take a closer look at your microprocessor. Button number 1 is change password. This allows you to change the password to one of your choice. Button number 2 is set points. This allows you to both view your set points and change your set points. Button number 3 is BMS signal. This will show you your BMS signal and the humidifier's operating percent. Button number 4 is relative humidity at high limit. You do not have this option. Button number 5 is water quality sensor. You do not have this option. Button number 6 is your airspeed sensor. You do not have this option as well. Button number 7 is operating hours. This will show you the number of hours your system has been operating. Button number 8 is manual drain. You do not have this option. Button number 9 is manual operation. This will put the humidifiers into manual operation and they will run no matter the BMS signal. Button number 10 is view alarms. This will show you and allow you to delete the alarms as they occur. We will now take a closer look at each button's functions and menus. We will now go over button number 1, change password. Your system comes with a factory password of 4444. To change this to a password of your choice, you would press button number 1. You hit enter to enter the menu, and enter again until only your asterisks are highlighted. You put in the factory password of 4444 and press enter. Your password valid will say yes. You may then scroll down to password number, press enter until only your asterisks are highlighted. You may now enter the password of your choice, press enter, a new password will then say valid. You must then hit escape until nothing is highlighted to exit the screen. Button number 2 is set points. This allows you to view parameters, view purchase options, change your parameters, and here at the factory we can change your purchase options. Upon entering the screen, you must press enter to bring up your highlight, and you may now navigate the menu. Pressing enter on view parameters will show you your set points as they currently are. If you'd like to change these set points, press escape to return to the set points menu, press menu to bring up your highlight, scroll down to change parameters, and press enter. The first thing you must do in this screen is enter your password. Press enter until only your asterisks are highlighted. I will enter my password of 4444 and press enter. The system will say password valid yes. You may now alter your set points. In this case, we will take the maximum capacity of the humidifiers from 100% and change it to 80. Highlight max capacity, press enter until only the 100 is highlighted. I will then enter 80 and press enter. The humidifiers will now run at a maximum capacity of 80% no matter the BMS signal. If we scroll down to manual operation, this represents the number of minutes your humidifiers will remain in manual operation once you start it. The default setting is 10 minutes. We can change this to 25 by pressing enter until only the 10 is highlighted. Press 25 and press enter. The humidifiers will now remain in manual operation for 25 minutes upon engaging. Button number 3 is your BMS signal. This will show you your building management system signal from 0 to 10 VDC and the corresponding operating percent of the humidifiers. In this case, we have a BMS signal of 5.1 and our humidifiers are operating at 50%. Increasing the BMS signal will increase the operating percent of the humidifiers until 100% operation is reached at a BMS signal of 10. Button number 4 is your relative humidity at high limit. You do not have this option. Button number 5 is water quality sensor. You do not have this option. Button number 6 is your airspeed sensor. You do not have this option as well. Button number 7 is operating hours. This will show you the hours of operation your system has been operating. Button number 8 is manual drain. You do not have this option. Button number 9 is manual operation of the humidifiers. Pressing button number 9 will allow you to run your humidifiers in manual operation no matter the BMS signal. And the manual operation screen, you will press Enter to highlight Start and Stop. Set it to Start and press Enter. Your manual operation is now engaged. Your humidifiers will run at a factory setting of 10 minutes. To stop manual operation, you may hit Enter, scroll to Stop, and press Enter again. This will stop your manual operation. Button number 10 is View Alarms. This allows you to see your alarms and erase them as they're triggered. I will now simulate a BMS signal failure. You will now notice your alarm present light indicator has been lit, and you'll notice the operating percentage of humidifiers has dropped to 0. We'll press button number 10, alarm display, use arrow keys, and you can scroll down to your alarm. You can see the time and date and type of alarm that occurred. To erase this alarm, you must press Acknowledge Alarms and then press Enter. You must erase each alarm individually. This was a basic overview of your HC301 microprocessor and control panel. For any other questions, consult your troubleshooting guide or reach us here at Humidifirst.